Apollo versus Hunter, which platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Apollo and Hunter. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Apollo. Apollo provides a vast database with millions of verified contacts, making it perfect for lead generation. It offers built-in CRM capabilities to manage contacts and outreach efforts all in one place. Users can narrow down prospects based on specific criteria, increasing the chances of finding the right leads. The platform includes email tracking features, enabling users to monitor open and response rates effectively. Its intuitive design makes it easy for users to navigate and utilize all the features without much hassle. New users may find the complex features challenging to navigate initially. The free version has restrictions that may not meet the needs of larger teams or businesses. It includes additional transaction fees alongside payment processing fees, potentially reducing profit margins. Now, let's come towards Hunter. Hunterio is renowned for its email finding capabilities, making it a go to tool for outreach efforts. It allows users to search for email addresses by entering a company domain, streamlining lead generation. The platform includes email verification features to ensure that the collected email addresses are valid and active. Offers a user friendly interface, making it easy for users to quickly find the information they need. It provides integration options with other tools, enhancing workflow efficiency. It may have limitations on the number of searches available in the free plan, which could restrict usage. It lacks a comprehensive CRM system, requiring users to manage contacts separately. The pricing structure can become expensive as more searches and features are needed. Choosing between Apollo and Hunter depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a comprehensive CRM and advanced searching capabilities, Apollo might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for powerful email finding tools and a straightforward interface, Hunter could be your go to solution. That's all for the video.